my channel. Today we are going to be talking about an interesting hidden gem book. This is by the author Mary Ann and Annie Barrows. So the book is called The Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. This is the book. Also, it has been made into a major series. So not a series, it's a movie, I guess. Yes, it's a movie, so you can watch the movie as well, but read the book first. So talking about the book, this book is mainly about a character named Juliet Ashton, and she is a writer. So she has written a very famous book and it's gone viral, and now she needs to write something else, and due to some reason she's suffering from a writer's block, and she just kind of doesn't know where to start and how does she start a new book. So she starts writing to this guy called Dorsey Adams, who lives in Guernsey, and this is a tiny island, a small village kind of place, which is located on the English Channel. And Dorsey also starts writing back, and they start talking to each other via letters, and they become pen pals. And Dorsey is also a very avid reader, and he asks Juliet for a specific book, and she somehow finds it and she sends it all the way to Guernsey to him, and that's how they become friends. And Dorsey starts talking to her about a literary society. It's kind of their book club which they have on this small island, and she gets very interested in this book club. Okay, so and what she does is she starts writing slowly to each of the members in this book club. So what happens is each of them have such interesting stories about the world war that happened, and how these people's lives were affected by it. And so she just got so engrossed with all of that, and she decides that okay, I need to go to this island, I need to meet these people, and I just need to talk to them and learn their stories, and it's something that I need to put out to the world out there. So basically, when she starts talking to these characters, she realizes that they have somehow lost hope, and she needs to give them and regain their hope. And to regain their hope, she needs to tell their story. So somehow she finds a way to give these people hope and to voice out their stories to the world. So this book is all about that. It's about hope, it's about love, it's about caring, it's about loss, it's about sorrows. It has so many emotions in this that you will not have a sad moment in this book. So yeah, the writing style in this book is very different. It has rather than having chapters, each and every page is about stories, and so it's letters exchanged between all the different characters in this book. So you're going to enjoy it, and you're going to love this book, I am sure. And also, especially if you like reading books about those war times, and actually personally I don't really love like reading wartime books, but this book got my interest mainly because it not only showed the war, it has nothing to do about the war. Okay, so this is like the post-war era, but it showed how they lived through these war times. So that's why it's really interesting. It's very heart-wrenching too when you read it. So I highly recommend this book. It is a must read for me at least. So go check this book out. It won't disappoint you because it's such a fast read. You won't even realize that in the start. I must say that you might find it a little slow, but give it some time, and don't judge it just by the first 4 or 5 pages. It will pick up pace, and it's going to blow your mind out. So that's about this book. Each and every character has something new to bring to you, and you will definitely connect to at least one character in this book, because they all have so many different stories, so many experiences, that it's just going to connect to you. Okay, you are going to find your perfect character in this book. There are so many of them in it, and you're going to love this book. So I highly recommend this book. Go check it out. The link to the book will be in the description box below if you want to buy it from Amazon. And yes, that was all about today's video. Do let me know if you check this out, and if you read the book, let me know what your points was. And if any of you want to have a discussion 101 regarding this book with me, we can definitely have a chat on this. So let me know about that. I am so excited for you guys also to read this book. So yes, please do read this book. It's a very sweet book. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends, with your bookworms, with your book clubs, and any literary potato peel pie society that you have of your own. And I will see you again in the next video. Toodles!